Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super useful on TikTok, how to view your watch history. Whether you're trying to revisit that hilarious video from last week or just curious about your scrolling habits, this feature is a game changer. And since we're talking about 2025, TikTok has made it even more straightforward. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your phone. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security. Once you're all set, open the app and log in to your account. Now, head over to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's your hub for all things personal on TikTok. From your profile, look for the three dots or the settings icon, usually in the top right. Tap on that, and you'll see a menu pop up. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Settings option, and give that a tap. Inside there, hunt for Activity Center or Watch History. TikTok might have renamed it slightly in 2025, but it's typically under Account or General. Once you spot it, tap to enter. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of videos you've watched recently. You can scroll through, tap on any video to rewatch it, or even clear your history if you want a fresh start. Pro tip: if you're privacy conscious, remember to manage what shows up here to keep your activity discreet. And that's it, you've just mastered viewing your watch history on TikTok. It's a simple way to keep track of your favorites and relive those scroll sessions. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.